it's your girl Thandoo here, and I am back like I never left. So as most of you guys know, my TikTok account got banned, and TikTok is currently reviewing my account to check if they made a mistake or not and whatsoever. So I guess while they are still doing that, I'm gonna be on this account. If you guys like this video, if you like it, then I guess I will provide more content. But if not, then you child. My room is like, yeah, but we're gonna fix that in a moment. So yeah, let's do that right now. First, before I do my bed, we're gonna go brush my teeth and wash my face. All right? The lighting in here is giving. It is eating. All right, so you guys, I really have nothing to say. Hey, I just hope that TikTok will bring back my account, bro. Like, I've worked so hard for that account, and like it just cannot go down the drain just like that, you know. Like, I really need it back, because if not, I'm gonna myself. Not really, not literally, but I'm just saying. I need it back, bro. I really do need it back. Like, this is not a joke. This is not a joke. And especially my haters right now. Shame. Shame, shame, shame. Using this. Please don't talk about my nails. Just mice. Act like you can't see shit. Just act like you cannot see anything. Guys, please plug skincare things. Skincare things for like dark spots, because I have dark spots. And like, I don't know. Yeah, but like specifically for dark spots, because it's bad. Now we're done with my face. We are about to clean this mess, so like, yeah. Grace, Miss Cat, please teach me. We're gonna go throw these away, and this is pretty much it. Those are the words of the day today. All right, so here's the finished look, guys. I am done with cleaning. Yeah, okay, tidying up basically, because I'm not cleaning shit. We are done. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys like this video, make sure to interact so that I can do more. Bye.